Hey friends, today we're making a quick and healthy keema curry. In just 30 minutes, we can have a meal that's both nutritious and bursting with flavor. This version is loaded with lean protein, vibrant spices, and a rainbow of vegetables. If you're ready for a quick and wholesome dinner, get your aprons on and let's get cooking. If you're new to the channel, I'm Geronimo, and I'm a professional chef and product designer in the San Francisco Bay Area. Alright friends, the first step of this quick recipe is to saute our veggies. Grab your trusty 12-inch nonstick pan and crank up the heat to medium-high. Add in a generous swirl of olive oil, and once that's hot, drop in one large russet potato, peeled and diced, and one large onion, diced. Add a pinch of salt to help draw out those flavors and start the caramelization process. We're sauteing for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. We want those onions to start turning golden and the potatoes to begin softening. Next up, add in 6 cloves of garlic minced for some aromatic goodness. Give it a good stir and saute for another 2 minutes to build in another layer of flavor. Now, give our veggies a break and drop them into a bowl and set aside. Return the pan to the heat and add in another generous swirl of olive oil. Drop in 1 pound or 454 grams of ground turkey for that lean protein goodness. Add in a strong pinch of salt to bring out the flavors, and what you want to do now is use a spatula to break down the meat into smaller chunks. Keep breaking down the meat as fine as you can, and you'll notice the color changing from a pink to a savory light brown color. That's when you know the magic is happening. Now, we bring in our vibrant flavors. We're adding in 5 grams of curry powder, 3 grams of garam masala, 5 grams of cumin, and 25 grams of tomato paste. Stir and fry the spices for about 30 seconds. The heat releases the aromatic oils, and the tomato gives our curry its signature richness and color. Now, our curry is starting to look tasty and rich with spices. If you're loving these flavors and this fun approach to healthy eating, hit that subscribe button down below. We have lots of recipes like this coming up, perfect for your busy lifestyle. Alright, let's blend these flavors together and move on to our simmering phase. Now it's time to bring everything together. Bring back our sauteed onions and potatoes into the mix. Stir everything together until well combined, and then add in 1 can or 400 milliliters of full-fat coconut milk, followed by 200 grams or half a can of water. This will create our sauce that will meld all the flavors together. Give everything a good stir and bring the curry to a simmer. Lower the heat enough so it bubbles gently. We're going to let the sauce reduce for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, letting the spices meld even more, and allowing the potatoes to get even more tender. Now it's time for the finishing touches. Stir in 150 grams of frozen peas for a pop of color and a burst of sweetness, and stir in 150 grams of baby spinach chopped. Gently fold everything into the curry to get everything well combined for about 3 minutes until the spinach wilts. Add any more salt to taste and the curry is good to go. Now grab your favorite bowl, add in a mound of brown or white rice, layer on your keema curry, and there we have it, our quick and healthy keema curry. Simple, delicious, and craveable. Let's dig in. Alright y'all, it's time to dig in, and I can't wait to eat this. This looks so savory, and I'm just gonna eat it with some of the curry and some rice. Bon appetit. Ooh, it's really hot. Ooh. Yum. I love how it's hearty, but it's still kind of light. It's got some nice punchy and savory flavors, but it's really not spicy at all. I love how savory it is, even though it's all just lean protein and a bunch of veggies. I can't wait for you to try it. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my video here where I show you how to make another quick and healthy chicken and egg rice bowl recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.